heard couple was buying Bergeron, we felt a little sad.
But I was very surprised.
I was nervous.
No one ever expected it.
Who knows what they're gonna do, you know? They're gonna move the company somewhere else.
But now, since Compass took over, just about like any change is tough. But you tend to adapt, and it's very well. Everything went very well. I couldn't be any more happier than now.
I think the successful transition started with the established relationships between ownership and the employee base. Critical to a successful launch is getting to know the owners, getting to understand the history of the company, how the company got to where it is today.
We didn't have the luxury of continuing general management, the same people that ran the business before. So we had to go out and hire somebody new, and I think we got somebody great.
From there, getting to know the employees. The machines are only machines, and they're not successful without that key ingredient.
And we worked on everybody else within the company who was staying to introduce them to Compass, to get them to know us and us them, and to make sure they were comfortable on how we were going to build upon their strengths and grow the company into the future.
Once the employees understand that Compass is here to just continue the success and help it grow, once that was understood, you could see the positive attitude, the feel of the environment, and the rest was just kind of took care of itself.
When I first heard Bergeron was going to be acquired, I really was nervous for my job. I wasn't really sure what was going to happen, and then when Gary came in and started talking, I was like, oh, this might actually work out.
Of course, as an employee, we feel a little bit like here and there, what's gonna be next. But to me, it has been very well, no anxiety at all. Now that it's been a few months that companies have been bought the company, I feel really great where they're taking us in the future.
There's a lot of things that you guys came in and like put down as a business plan, which is awesome. That's what I want to see. I want to see more parts going out the door, more customers coming in. You know what I mean? Like, it's good.
I think the acquisition's been great. We've been doing things that we should have been doing long ago. Ever since the acquisition, we've become tighter. We've worked together more. Whereas before we didn't really talk to each other very much. Now we're all co-mingling and seems to be getting along quite well.
It has been such a pleasure to meet Gary, David, and Bill. To me, it has been very good to meet all of them.
From the very beginning, our roadmap at Compass was to acquire a lot of companies with various capabilities. But the commonality are precision machined parts.
Being located in the northeastern part of the United States, so being able to cover that area as we grow is super important, as well as being able to, again, offer those types of disciplines, meaning Swiss screw machine, to our cadre of hundreds of customers located throughout the United States.
Up until Bergeron, one of the boxes we hadn't checked was Swiss machining. We always wanted to. Now we got it, and we got a great complement to do that.